Okay, I'm gonna run a little sound test. So this is the test with the master Airscrew props and the drone just hovering. Just listening to it right now, it does sound a little quieter and it does sound a little bit of a more peaceful pitch to it. Okay, so this is my live reaction. I just put the SD card in the computer, so let's see how it sounds. So this first test, let's put the stock propellers. Wow, so the sound is a lot different. Without hearing it side by side, I thought it was like pretty much the same, but listening to it on the computer, it definitely is a lot quieter. So I'm excited that I bought these props. I mean, it's quieter. My favorite color is orange. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like these, and then check the notifications so you'll be notified when I upload my newest videos. As always, my name's Adam. Fly safe, take care, peace.